Thank you so much for joining us on News from the State on TVC News. We told you about a story earlier from Oyo State where the government has now paid the arrears to the staff of LAUTECH Teaching Hospital. And we have our senior reporter, Olaide Oyewole, who is joining me on the News from the State. Olaide, you followed this story for months before the governor's announcement. How serious were the agitations by LAUTECH Teaching Hospital staff? Were there strikes, protests, or threats of shutdown?
So, Ibrahim, you would recall that the full implementation of the national minimum wage started by January 2025 this year. So 7 months later, health workers at the LAUTECH Teaching Hospital came out and protested and said that you need to include us in all of this. You need to also implement this minimum wage to cater for our welfare. And they said, aside from that, there are also issues concerning welfare that you need to address for us, like the issue of facilities and all of that, and that it has been affecting their healthcare service delivery, that the governor should come and address it. The governor came and spoke to them and said he was going to implement it, that they needed to take it easy on the state. So unfortunately, it was not quickly implemented, and the governor came out to say that, oh, the reason why this was not implemented was because of administrative issues and all of that. So just recently, the governor approved it and said that, okay, we are now implementing this, and we are going to pay the arrears from January, and then we will ensure that your welfare is catered for. And now the people are happy. The workers, the healthcare workers are happy, and they hope that all of this will be implemented immediately so that they can, have a nice December.
Absolutely. So paying arrears is one thing, sustaining regular salary payment is another. Did the government speak about long-term funding plans to ensure LAUTECH Teaching Hospital doesn't fall back into wage debts?
Okay, so from the speech of the governor during the meeting when he was inaugurating the governing council of the teaching hospital, he made mention of something. He said that he would ensure that every support they need to ensure the facilities of the hospital keeps running. He's ready to now give them the support and ensure that they do not have anything that would hinder healthcare delivery and healthcare service delivery at LAUTECH. So with all of this, it means that the governor is fully ready to, support them, whether financially and in every infrastructurally and in every means that the governor feels that they need help. So with all of this, the governor has assured that they are not going to have issues and that is going to ensure that everything goes well for them as workers. Ibrahim.
Right. So looking at Governor Makinde, he didn't just approve arrears, he also announced 13th month salary. Do we know the rationale behind this gesture? Is it compensation for the long delay or part of a broader worker motivation policy in Oyo State?
Well, Ibrahim, this is the 7th year of Governor Seyi Makinde's administration, and I can confirm to you that it is part of the worker-friendly initiative by the governor. This is the 7th year, and this is the 7th year that the governor will be paying the 13th month salary for his workers in Oyo State. So the governor is just extending his gesture of being a worker-friendly governor, and it is not even because he wants to compensate the newly approved minimum wage for the workers. No, it is the 7th year, and he is doing it for every worker in Oyo State, not just the health workers in LAUTECH. And we expect that before his administration runs out, the people still expect one more 13th month salary. So we hope that would also be implemented before he leaves office.
Absolutely.
Ibrahim.
Absolutely. TVC News, Olaide Oyewole, thank you so much for the update. Thank you.